In this video, I'm going to show you how to merge PDF in PDF XChange Editor. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the File tab, top left, and here you want to go to where it says New Document on the left, and you want to click on Combine Files into a single PDF. Now, via that, you can actually merge PDF files into one. So, click on Combine, and then from here, you'll be able to, of course, add files. Just click on Add Files up here, or you could just add a folder with files as well. So, I'm going to do Add Files, and I'm going to click on two of these random PDFs I have over here, and I'm going to click on Open. Now, to select these, you make sure you hold down your Control key on your keyboard and then click on the ones that are actually relevant. So click the first one and then second one while holding the Control key, and you can then of course click Open, and they're going to get added in here. Whenever you do that, click on OK, and as you can see here, it's going to tell me that I have a demo account, and that's fine because I'm fine with these watermarks. If you have one of their premium plans, if you have purchased it, you'll be able to not have watermarks. So I'm just going to click on Yes, and then this will basically open up the new document, and as you can see right now, this has now been basically merged together, and I now have multiple pages, basically two documents into one. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.